Hello, me buddies, and hello everyone watching. These are my two budgies, also known as budgerikas. For short, we call them budgies. In many places, they're called parakeets. In India, here they are mistaken for lovebirds. And so these are mine. They are both male, and well, they're the cutest little bubs in the world. This one here is a Raindrop. Raindrop is like a zen type of guy. He's very quiet, calm, loves just chilling. And Lemony is quite the opposite. He likes to run around, fly a lot, bite things, turn things upside down, and ruin my entire room. But thank God they're not here much. They're only here in the mornings and sometimes in the evenings. Otherwise, I keep them in their cage. They love it in their cage. There are toys and other things. And right now there's an intense preening session going on. Okay, so yes, these are my birdies. And well, you'll be seeing a lot of them soon in the upcoming videos. I am Caroline, their owner, and you will only be hearing my voice. You would not like my face in these videos. Shall try to keep out as much as I can because, well, they are the highlight. You ought to love funny birdies. Okay, I'll see you soon. Buddies, wanna say bye? Maybe they'll say bye next time.